When you are looking to get admission into NEET UG for an MBBS program, we need to understand that there are different type of service bonds which are required. Now, what are those bonds? Let's have an overview. The first one is a service bond. Now, this service bond ensures that after completing your MBBS, a candidate would serve as a SR, which is the senior resident doctor, and they would be allocated certain hospital, a primary health care or a community health center where they would be serving for a given period of time. The second type of bond is discontinue penalty bond. That means if a student leaves in the middle of the MBBS, then they would have to pay a certain amount of amount for the financial liabilities or the financial penalty, and this would cover the seat quota and the categories across the various institutions. The next type of bond that has been commonly seen with your MBBS is bank guarantee. Now, bank guarantee is asked by most of the state governments, and that is at the time of the admission to the MBBS program. This is issued by any, let's say, a nationalized bank, where they would freeze the amount of the fixed deposit until the student completes the MBBS course. So that is what is the bank guarantee. The next one is a compulsory rural service bond. Now, under this rural service bond, after the completion of MBBS, a student has to serve in a rural area for must, and that could be a PHC or a CHC where the student would be allotted to. The next is deemed university. Now, if you are doing from a deemed university, there is no bank guarantee or no MBBS service bond that is required. These actually simply ask an affidavit from the parents, making it sure that the fees payments would be timely till the time of course completion. Now, what are the different bonds in different states across India is again important. For example, in Maharashtra, for 1 year service bond, it is 10 lakh rupees, and if you discontinue, the discontinuity penalty is 10 lakh. In Rajasthan, it is 5 lakhs for 2 years of service bond. Gujarat, 20 lakhs for 1 year of service bond. Discontinuity penalty bond is 5 lakhs. In Madhya Pradesh, it is 10 lakh for 1 year, and discontinuity is 30 lakh for reserved candidates. UP, it is 10 lakh for 2 years. Chhattisgarh, 25 lakhs for 5 years. Jharkhand, there is only a discontinuity bond, and that's for 20 lakhs. Haryana, the limits are different for male and female candidate, and it requires 5 year service bond. So the service bond duration is large in case of Haryana. Then again for Tamil Nadu, it is 5 lakh for 5 years of service bond. Then in Karnataka, 1 year compulsory service bond is there. Andhra Pradesh, the amount is high for 1 year service bond, which is around 30 lakhs. Then we have for 2 years, 10 lakhs for Kerala, 1 year, 5 lakhs for Goa. Then West Bengal, there is again only the discontinuity penalty bond, which is 10 lakh rupees. Assam has 5 year service bond for 7 lakh. Delhi again has discontinuity penalty bond and has no service bond. So these rules vary from state to state. Now, once you are applying for NEET UG and planning to opt for a college across various states, this is something that you must take into account as you plan to opt for a university in a specific state through the central quota. Thanks for joining in.